morning, Michael Walsh here, Norwell Farms. Thanks for joining us today. It's a beautiful day here. It's going to be near 50, but it's supposed to be having thunderstorms tomorrow. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. That helps us more than you know. And ring the notification bell so you're advised of any future videos that come up. And we're going to work on some taking out some scrub saplings and trees where I'm going to put temporary fence in. So thanks for joining us, and we'll talk to you later. There's the base of the tree line. The shed will be up there, and then it comes down there. So I need to make a temporary lane along here. So all this brush, that limb's got to come out. And we're going to clear along here just enough to make about a 6-foot path or what. That'll give us a lane up to the 3-corner patch. And then we'll go beyond the 3-corner patch north up to the north field. So that's the project for the next few days. Trimmed this area here. These are buckthorn trees. You can see the spikes. Those are thorns. So I definitely wanted to get this down before it leafed out and before the poison ivy started. It's definitely warmed up today. It's mid to upper 50s. It's a beautiful day. So we're continuing to work on this fence line. That's some of the area I've cleared out here. I'll get this cleared out for the lane. We'll come out to about here with the lane, so it's a good patch. Clear down along here. I got to take all those saplings out. Sandhill Cranes. Finish this line. It looks like this is the section that reminds me of hedge laying in England. This kind of reminds me of what we do in England. I got everything I pretty well could get. What I'm going to guess, maybe 1/8 of a mile of fence row. But it goes all along here. And that will allow us to put a temporary electric fence along here. It will have permanent fencing around it. It's about 1/2 or 3/4 of an acre. And so we're going to put permanent fencing around that. So that's a pretty good little patch right there. There'll be a gate installed here on this corner here so that we can get the tractor and the mower in there. And then there's a small gate on the other side of this up at the top of the hill by that tree there on the left. There'll be a small gate, and that's will open into the lane that goes on up to the north field. But all this has been cleared out along here. Grapple hook's what we're going to use to remove it. So once we get that, we'll bring all that brush, probably put it on this big pile here, and then